All right, for this next one, this is called Paper Plane Cornhole. This event, you will need 3 paper planes. I've already made mine, so you can go ahead and design and create your own, nice bird, design and create your own paper plane, and a bucket, a trash can, or a laundry basket. The bigger the size, the better score you're gonna have. So if you have a laundry basket, it might be a little bit easier, you might have a higher score. You're gonna take this and place it about 5 to 10 feet away from where you have the paper plates. That will be your throwing line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right over here. And then you're gonna put 1 minute on the clock, and you're gonna try to throw the planes as many times as you can. If you hit the bucket with the airplane, you get 1 point. If you make the airplane go into the bucket, you get 2 points. Here we go, on your mark, get set, go. All right, so that was paper airplane cornhole. Hope you enjoyed it. You can try it again, try to get a better score if you want to. Post your best score, and I can't wait to see your submissions. Don't forget to post it to the River Springs Facebook page or tag River Springs and Coach Landers on Twitter. And have an awesome day. See you guys soon. Have fun.